Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today at Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon to bring to you this 2018 Dutch Star 2018. It's a 3718. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. So coming inside, beautiful, beautiful decor, flooring, porcelain tile in a wood grain finish, huge couch right over here with a bed that comes out. Oh, by the way, that tile is heated underneath for your cold tootsies in the morning. Coming over here, you have a little workspace, desk area, nice little coffee table to go with it. In this coach, you do have the coastal cherry wood, which is very, very pretty. And these are all wood cabinets in here. You have your dinette here that seats 4. There's 2 chairs here, 2 more in the back, with the TV behind and the sound bar. So you can sit over on the couch and see everything. This is an awesome coach. You have the L-shaped kitchen counter, Corian countertop, 1 deep sink, 1 shallow, with a very nice black chrome faucet. Coming over here, you do have the propane 3-burner cook stove top. So that means right here you are going to have the convection microwave. Over here in the cabinets you have pull-outs. You can get the stuff in the back easier. Very nice. Behind us here we do have another pantry area with multiple pull-outs. It's adjustable shelves. And you have the 8.1 Norcold refrigerator and freezer, along with these great accent lights on these fascias right here. Coming here into the center of the coach, you have a huge shower area, plenty of room to move around in here. Separate commode there with the emergency exit behind the door, or behind the commode, pardon me. Coming over here, you have twin sinks, his and hers. Great cabinetry up above. Nice lighting. Coming into the back, features a true queen bed with a really nice headboard, side windows for ventilation and viewing. Again, the cabinets with all the decor in them, just absolutely stunning. Down below here, you have bank of drawers there, and down here you have another bank of drawers for all your clothing. Another emergency exit with a 32-inch TV right there. This one has a washer dryer stackable in it right now. And this also has a huge closet in the back with a place to put your shoes, just anything will fit back there. Full length clothing. It's awesome. Let's go up front, see what it has to offer. Up here, folks, we have the Cockpit, which has everything at the touch of a fingertip right here. You have the navigation and the cameras, side cameras, backup camera, comfort steer. You have your entertainment center up here, adjustable pedals, the battery boost, the generator. Everything can be done from right up here. You also have your HWH levelers over here. You have a 3-stage engine brake on this, which is extremely cool when you're trying to slow down. And then of course you have the transmission and just anything you want right up here at the touch of a button. Right here is your panel. This one has a Weingart Traveler on it. This has the hydronic heating in it. Does have the Magnum inverter. And here's your slide controls right here. Everything that you could possibly want is in this coach. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer. One of the things this coach has is full body paint, and this is a masterpiece finish on this coach. Absolutely gorgeous, and it will never lose its luster in this coach. You do have automatic locks on this, so when you go like this, that way you put the slide in, it will automatically lock itself so it can't come back out. You do have alloy wheels on this, 22.5 tires. Here's a storage unit right here, it's a little storage area. Again, this is a pass-through storage area. Coming back here, you have a cork board so that you can put your tools up right there. Another storage area right here. This doesn't lack for any storage area, that's for sure. One thing this also has is the flush mount windows, frameless, and it's very nice in that it keeps water from going in, ultimately a little better than the framed windows. More storage right there. Coming to the back, you do have access to the motor area right here at your 450. It's XCR Cummins right there. So you can do a lot of the stuff yourself. Pretty incredible. Very nice. Tow hitch down below. You have your camera up above. Coming to the side, there's your side draft radiator. You'll notice up above, now on the other side, but up above on there you do have the Girard awnings, which is very nice. Here you have the automatic cord reel right here. The push of a button. It's your water bay right next to it. And the hose reel on the right there, and then you have a filter for the house. You have outside shower, everything you could want right there. Here's your hydronic heating system. It's an Oasis. So that will give you hot water on demand and also a diesel fired furnace. More storage, pass through. Battery tray for the house right there. Your propane tank, which goes this way so it doesn't take up as much room. And there's your run bay. And you do have the generator up front, your side mirrors. Boy, this coach is awesome. I'll tell you what, if this coach is of interest to you, please give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much.